In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Ninjatrader indicator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to package your indicator into a single file you can back up, share, or move to another computer. We'll walk through the built-in export tool in Ninjatrader 8 and make sure everything is clear and straightforward. Start by opening Ninjatrader 8. If it's already running, you're ready to go. We'll be working from the Control Center, which is the main hub window that appears when Ninjatrader launches. From there, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then hover over Export and select NinjaScript. This opens the Export NinjaScript window where you decide what you want to bundle into your archive. Inside this window, click Add. Think of this as telling Ninjatrader what to include in your export. A selection dialog will appear. From the Type dropdown, choose Indicator. This filters the list so you only see indicators rather than strategies or other script types. Now, select the indicator or indicators you want to export. You can choose a single item or multiple, depending on what you need. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right ones, especially if you maintain different versions or similarly named files. When you're satisfied with your selection, click OK to return to the main export window. Next, click Export. Ninjatrader will prompt you to choose where to save the exported file. This file is a NinjaScript archive, packaged as a zip. It contains the necessary source files and is the format Ninjatrader expects when importing on another machine. Pick a location you'll remember, such as a dedicated folder for backups or a shared drive if you plan to send it to someone. Consider giving the file a clear name that reflects the indicator and version so it's easy to identify later. After you confirm the location and name, Ninjatrader creates the zip file. That's your complete export. You can store it safely, email it, or move it between computers. If you ever need to bring it into another Ninjatrader 8 installation, that same .zip is what you'd use for importing. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the indicator you're exporting is the one you've been using and testing, and keep your saved archives organized by date or version to avoid confusion over time. And remember, the exported .zip is your portable copy, so back it up just like any other important project file. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Ninjatrader 8 indicator.